He turns on with a whistle.
It was going to be a clap, but I feel my hands are put to far better use working on this. A machine that will allow a man to fly. Please don't do that.
Inventor Phileas Fogg was a dreamer.
By my calculations, I could travel around the world in 80 days.
But nobody believed in him.
Well then, Fogg, a wager. If you cannot, you must never invent again.
I'll take your wager!
Now,
We're going to stop Fogg by any means necessary!
a man who has always lived life by the book
Really believe we can succeed?
yes, has 80 days to prove just how far his imagination can take him.
We will make history! Or we will die trying!
Very impressive. I'd have let go by now.